It's Jeep Hoover, just now doing from the finding rinse, just trying to find rinse anyway, yeah. Chevy's trying to find rinse anyway, yeah. It's just still got 1 minute. This machine has still got 1 minute anyway. It's still got 1 minute left anyway, yeah. Chevy again for final spin at 1,000 up in spin anyway, again for final spin just at 1,000 anyway, again for final spin at 1,000 up in spin anyway, 1,000 up in spin we're going for, 1,000 up in spin anyway. It's not 400 we're going for, it's not actually 400 we're going for, but it's only 1,000 we're going for anyway, the 1,000 spin we're going for anyway, 1,000 spin anyway, yeah. So yeah, we're just getting ready for the 1,000 spin we're going for anyway, 1,000 spin anyway. Notice if this machine is going to do worse passing charge like it did on the second spin and the first spin. Notice it will cut and fail the spin, it will, not less. Or did this time. That's did it without passing charge this time. Well, it's very unbalanced that was. It's very unbalanced it was. It's very unbalanced, but it did jump a little bit. Obviously, it did jump a little bit, but it did kind of jump just a little bit. It did. It did jump just a little bit. It did. It did actually jump a little bit. It did. That will actually do the anti-creasing roll, and then it will go into spin again, I think. As you can tell, now that's going anti-crease and then we'll spin again. I think this will spin again. Yeah, this machine is just doing anti-crease now. No, this is just doing the anti-crease that's doing now. Anti-crease that's going to do anyway. This machine is supposed to do an anti-crease anyway. There you go, I think that it just only does 3 tumbles of anti-crease and then it just goes spin again, I think. Don't know what we do this time. Yep, bass and trash. Maybe I think this machine's not in the right place. I think that's not the right place to spin. It's not in the right place to spin. It's not. But that's the second attempt it did that. That's the second attempt it did there. Now into third attempt. This will actually do a third attempt. It will now go into 1,000 spin. It will. No. It's a third attempt that's going to do it, and then it's fourth attempt. God's sake, machine, come on. This machine is just not spinning, but it doesn't look like it's going to spin quite properly. It doesn't look like it's spinning properly in the right place, but not sure if it's going to take that or not, but anyway. It is definitely the worst bastard trash I've ever seen, but I think it's because the worst bastard trash one. This machine is definitely the worst bastard trash, actually, because this is the worst bastard trash. I'm gonna hate that machine. I'm seriously gonna have to hate this machine, you know. This is more worse than the Blomberg does, anyway. I think the Blomberg W9020 does that, anyway. This is more worse than the Blomberg, like my Blomberg washing machine does that, I think. This is ever the worst bastard trash I've never seen. This is the worst bastard trash. This is definitely the worst bastard trash I've never seen in this Hoover, God. Still got 1 minute. This machine is still got 1 minute again, but just imagine that, it's still got 1 minute left. This has still got 1 minute. But that could have spun that just could have spun, that could have. This machine could have just spin off. So this machine just could have ever spin, it could have spin, this machine just could have spin. I think maybe because of that blanket, I think it's probably because it's just probably stuck with the bedding, I think the bedding is about just kind of mould up, I think. Maybe that's why the beddings are just mould up a bit, I think. Yeah, I think it's probably because it's just stucking it together, I think, the bedding. I think that's what it's just doing, the other balance spinning, that's what it's doing. Come on, Hoover, you can do it. Come on, you can do it, Hoover. Come on. Come on, Hoover, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. If it just comes on bastard trash again, I might have to pause the video, I think.